Hi there. Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, May the 14th, 2022. We have here uh, two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and a Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, I won't do them all. I won't do them anymore because it will take me more than an hour to solve. So only one regular puzzle I will do, Sudoku Medium. But in this newspaper of Saturday, May the 14th, 2022, we have an additional with 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them, half of them, I will solve them today, and tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so the other half I will do. So we have a letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. 3 of them I will solve. Tomorrow the other 3. But first we will solve this baby Sudoku Medium. Let me see. This will be number. Let me zoom this out. This will be number 4550. Alright, 4550. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits if we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. This will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. And yeah. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. Oh wait, 2 of those missing numbers. No. Yeah, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7th. Well, not quite correct. Because in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here, 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, or there. We see there another 7, so no 7 here. There so also a 7, so no 7 here. 1 box left for the 7. Should be here. Then
你又玩呢啲？你隔離咩8點鐘瞓咗覺啦嚇？聽日俾人哋投訴啊！我
1 in this row, 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1.
叫你嚟
Should be here or there.
破壞
We
晒
have a
啲氣
1
氛。
here, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. One in this row, one in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the one should be here. And now I cannot continue with the one. Need to wait. How about we have a pair. 1 and a 4 in this column, 1 and a 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. But we see here also a 1 and a 4 in the first row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Alright. 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in a column next, so last column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. 3, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. Here, 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see there another 3, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 3. Okay. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Alright. Then yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4. 4. Cannot continue with the 4. Alright. 2, 6, 9. I'm thinking. 7. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9. Yeah. Hmm. I'm thinking. Nine. Nine should be here. Nine. Come on. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 2, 9, 5. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Let me mark those. 6, 8, and the 5. 5. Oh, wait. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the second column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this row. So no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So the last row. Only place left for the 5. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a pair here and there. Here and there. Okay, so 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. Okay. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. We have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be an 8. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Well, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Wait, then 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Do we have all the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Then 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, told you, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. And I solved this again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.